Okay. Okay. Well, welcome everyone. Welcome to our product workshop, one of the basic workshops that a distributor must attend in order to be empowered and to be equipped. So we will talk about fighting body pollution. Where does body pollution come from? It comes from the major non-modifiable sources. Ang ibig sabihin nito, it comes from sources that is beyond our control. Hindi ma-modify, hindi mababago, such as air, water, food, sunlight, electromagnetic waves from gadgets like cell phones, laptop, tab, and television. Body pollution nanggagaling din from modifiable sources. These are man-made pollution like stress, smoking, medication, and airline travel. So ang lifestyle products help strengthen the body, improve our well-being, ensure best assistance possible against body pollution. So we have the health building cycle on how Intra-Nutria Fiber Life works in the body. So there are 4 steps to achieve optimal health. Step 1 is cleansing, step 2 is reactivating, step 3 is rebuilding, and step 4 is maintaining. So let's talk about step 1, which is cleansing. This is the stage sa katawan natin wherein the body gets rid of accumulated toxins. Nililinis, winawalis yung mga toxins sa katawan natin. And our vital organs are being cleansed as well as the tissues. And this cleansing may cause some discomfort such as yung mga nagre-react yung katawan, which is tinatawag natin na healing crisis or detoxification process. This discomfort means that our toxins from our body, winawalis siya ni Intra-Nutria Fiber Life Cardiolife, kaya there is discomfort, meaning there is already, again, detoxification process starting to take effect inside our body. Step 2 is reactivating, meaning to say, our body begins to improve function at a cellular level. So the cleansing has been completed. Sa reactivating stage, our major organs and tissues are reactivated. That's why when our body is reactivated, our energy level begin to rise. So this is the cellular nutrition stage. Step 3 is rebuilding, meaning to say our body begins to regain optimal health. And thus, our vital organs and tissues are fully restored and they are functioning to its optimal level. So in the rebuilding stage, this is where our body has this nutritional storage bank. Meaning to say, pag na-rebuild yung katawan natin, our immune system is stronger and it can combat almost all kinds of diseases because our immune system is the little doctor yan sa katawan natin. So pag healthy, yung little doctor sa katawan natin, hindi tayo agad-agad magkakasakit. Step 4, which is the last step to achieve optimal health, is maintaining. This is the stage na patuloy pa rin umiinom ng intra to balance our 8 biological system para ma-maintain itong new level of health. That's why we encourage our users to keep on taking intra kasi hindi natin naiiwasan, kumakain pa rin tayo ng unhealthy food, na-stress pa rin tayo, we're exposed to water, air pollution, and other pollution. So may mga external toxins na kailangan natin continuously i-eliminate from our body para ma-maintain natin yung new level of health. Okay? So, Yung lifestyle products, key features ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Our products are manufactured in Canada. And we all know that Canada is one of the cleanest and pinaka-strict na countries in the world when it comes to manufacturing and production of any item, especially food and drug-related products. So, GMP certified or good manufacturing practice. Each batch of lifestyle products are subjected to a rigorous set of quality control tests to meet and exceed the standards of food as regulated by the Food and Drugs Act of Canada. Did you know na ang hirap kumuha ng certificate ng GMP? Hindi lahat ng products may GMP seal kasi napaka-strict, napakataas ng proseso to secure a GMP certification. But we are proud to say that our products are GMP certified. Okay, now let's talk about synergistic effect. What does this mean? Synergistic effect means it worked together in harmony. So when all our 4 products are taken in combination, it is working more effectively to achieve optimal health. Yung intra, alam natin, potent siya, magaling siya, phenomenal siya. But when taken together with Nutria, Fiber Life, and Cardio Life, intra becomes more potent and more effective. That's why the synergistic effect of the 4 products that we have is better together when taken. Lalong napapabilis yung result when 4 products are taken together because of the synergistic effect. Premium quality, we have the seals of international standards, meaning to say, yung lifestyle products, extraction process, and standardized yung pagkakagawa ng each bottle of Intra, meaning to say, pag may standards, consistent, and always sa high level, yung mga active compounds na nilalagay sa each and every bottle of Intra that we have. Natural sourced ang products natin. Alam nyo ba na homegrown ang lahat ng herbs and botanicals na nasa loob ng Intra bottle? And natural source, so walang pesticides, walang herbicides. It's free from any chemicals as they are grown from their own country of origin. And our products, our herbs and botanicals, these 23 herbs and botanicals are sourced all over the world. So from all the continents in the world, we have sourced this product through a company, one of the biggest suppliers of botanical. Hear this, guys, Frutaromir Corporation. So Frutaromir Corporation is an international corporation which supplies lifestyles all the 23 herbs and botanicals needed to make Intra. So lifestyles, hindi nagsusource from different countries, but meron na lang isang contact company na this company will be sourcing all the botanicals from different countries and continents para ma-supply niya ito to lifestyles. Okay, so again, the company is Frutaromir Corporation. Our product is HACCP certified, meaning to say, Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point. This is a state-of-the-art approach to food safety, recognized and supported by regulatory agencies around the world, including U.S. government's Food and Drug Administration or FDA and the Canadian Food Inspection Agency. All establishments that is handling food, drug, and medication needs HACCP certification. And alam nyo ba na yung mga big hotels in the Philippines, hindi lahat HACCP certified? Even if they're serving food, Kasi hindi lahat na-approve ng HACCP or nabibigyan ng certification because of its very strict international standards. And we are proud that our products are HACCP certified. Kaya palakpakan natin yung products natin. Sobrang nakaka-proud. Lifestyles Factory carries the HACCP certification. And every year, it is inspected by the HACCP body. So every year, nire-renew, ine-expect yung factory ng Lifestyles Canada by the quality experts. And every year, we are glad na meron tayong certification from HACCP. Okay, now let's go to FDA approved or the Food and Drug Agency. In the Philippines, that there is a label of no approved therapeutic claim. Bakit? Nasa bottle yan of Intra, Nutria, FiberLife, and CardioLife because it is a requirement by the FDA Philippines. Why? Kasi a therapeutic claim is a clinical study conducted that one product or drug is directed to give. Since our product is not a clinical study because it is natural, it is called nutraceutical, we do not belong to pharmaceutical, but we belong to the category of nutraceuticals. So all products that belong to nutraceuticals, like supplements, are required by FDA Philippines na lagyan yung label ng no approved therapeutic claim. When a product has a label na no approved therapeutic claim, it doesn't mean na hindi siya effective or hindi siya tumatalab. It's just that requirement siya ng FDA. And our products do not address one specific effect. Only yung mga gamot, yung mga drugs, yung medication, ang nag-a-address ng one specific effect. Like amlodipine. Ang amlodipine, it regulates blood pressure. People with hypertension. So, kaya yung kailangan may clinical study for this kasi it is for one specific effect. Ang atin, because it addresses more than one specific effect, because it is nutraceuticals, hindi siya kailangan ng clinical study. And again, that is why nire-require ng FDA ng no approved therapeutic claim because we belong to the nutraceutical category. Okay. So, halal certified. When a product has the halal seal, meaning it is safe for Muslim consumption. No animal product is found in our product of Nutria, Intra, FiberLife, CardioLife, and we are able to secure the international halal certification. And isa sa nagpapatunay dyan is we have opened Lifestyles Dubai, which is Muslim-dominated country. Okay? And kosher rated, kosher, this is for the Jew, for the Jew, Hebrew. So, meaning to say, we have passed the strict standards of the Hebrew and the Jewish people. Ito lang trivia, share ko sa inyo. Yung Jewish people, they have, sa example, sa chopping board, tsaka sa kutsilyo. Did you know na may iba silang chopping board at kutsilyo na panggamit for chicken? Tapos iba din yung chopping board at kutsilyo nila na ginagamit for beef. Iba din yung chopping board at kutsilyo na ginagamit for slicing vegetables. At iba din yung ginagamit nila for fruits. Ganun sila kasi maselan. So, we have passed the strict standards of the Jewish and the Hebrew, meaning to say, napaka-safe, napaka-reliable, and napaka linis ng paggawa ng products natin. So, in this next slide, you will see in your screen the chart made by PubMed. So, this is the PubMed is United States Public Medicine. Kung sa Philippines may DOH or Department of Health, ang PubMed naman is the counterpart natin sa USA. So, itong chart na to, it is conducted by PubMed. Hindi Lifestyles ang may gawa ng survey na to. So that's why we are proud na sa lahat ng presentation natin, nakikita natin to kasi this is done by PubMed. So PubMed made a survey kasi sa dami-dami ng supplements and vitamins in the market, nag-survey si PubMed. So isa sa mga pinag-aralan nila na products is our products, Intra. And the other products na sinorvey ng PubMed is Goji Juice, which address 4 of our 8 biological system, mangosteen juice, or if you're familiar with MX3, di ba, mangosteen din yon. So, ang mangosteen product addresses 3 of our 8 biological system, the cardiovascular, antioxidant, and the immune system. But the rest of the 8 biological system natin, hindi na na-address ni mangosteen kasi hindi na niya effect yon. Okay, so noni juice, same with mangosteen yung effect, acai berry, echinacea, vitamin C, vitamin E, and calcium. All these vitamins and supplements are being studied and surveyed by PubMed. And according to PubMed, they found out that only Intra ang nakaka-address sa 8 biological system ng isang tao. Kaya yung mga sakit na arthritis, asthma, chronic fatigue, kidney failure, high blood, diabetes, na-address siya ni Intra. Kasi si Intra is a complete holistic drink. It addresses our 8 biological system. Kaya palakpakan natin yung products natin na Intra. Nakaka-proud siyang i-share sa lahat. So our Lifestyles products, key features, did you know that we offer 30-day money-back guarantee? Meaning to say, yung napainom mo, pwede niyang isoli yung bottle even if wala nang laman yon, as long as it is within 30 days from the date that binili niya yung product. So, what does this mean? It gives us a strong conviction sa product natin na daig pa yung sample. Daig pa yung sample at daig pa yung money back guarantee sa pharmacy. Ilang days ba ang pwede mong i-return yung gamot sa pharmacy or sa butika? Di ba 7 days lang? But with Intra, Nutria, Fiber Life, Cardio Life, your user can return it to you. And for more information, refer to page 13 to 14, item number 46 of the Lifestyles Policies and Procedures Manual. So, paano nangyayari ito? Ganito yon. Pag may user ka, tapos sasabihin niya, hindi niya nagustuhan yung lasa, or walang effect sa kanya yung Intra, or nag-detox siya, tapos natakot siya, gusto niya i-return na. As long as ang reason niya is hindi siya gumaling, kasi we don't promise cure in the first place, di ba? So as long as ang reason niya, aside, except hindi siya gumaling, and all other reasons, tanggap yan ng company. Susulat lang siya ng short letter, bakit niya i-return, and then kasama yung acknowledgement receipt sa pagbili niya ng product. So ikaw, kukunin mo yon, i-return mo yan sa company kasi papalitan ka ng new bottle ni Lifestyles. And ang bayad, since ikaw ang tumanggap ng bayad niya, isusoli mo yon. And hindi ka malulugi kasi Lifestyles will give you a new bottle of the products. Ang galing, di ba? Alam niyo, when I started Lifestyles, Syempre, wala pa ako organization, wala pa akong downlines. Hindi pa rin doon that time marami yung napainom ko ng products. But did you know na itong pinaghahawakan ko talaga yung 30-day money back guarantee. Every time nag-STP ako, I always tell my prospect, don't worry. Yung 1/8 mo, pag hindi ka masaya sa product, pwede mong isoli yan. Huwag kang mahiya kasi hindi ako malulugi kasi papalitan lang din naman ako ng bagong bottle of Intra sa company. So, because of this feature na nagagamit ko talaga during my STPs, lalong naging confident ako in sharing the product kasi because of this 30-day money back guarantee. So, how the products are made? Yan, lalo na sa mga bago natin na distributors. From the manufacturing, magsisimula yan sa growing the plants. All herbs used to make Intra are naturally grown. That's why, alam nyo, minsan iba ang color ng Intra, minsan dark, minsan light. Alam nyo bakit? Kasi natural. So may times na dark ang herbs kasi depende yan sa season ng pag-harvest sa ibang country. Yung ibang country, they have 4 seasons. Tayo, we only have 2, wet and dry. But in other countries, they have winter, spring, summer, and fall. So, the color of the herbs will vary sa season kung kailan siya na-harvest. Kaya wag kayong magtataka, minsan light ang color ng Intra, minsan dark ang color ng Intra, kasi nga, depende yan sa time and sa buwan kung kailan hinarvest ang herbs. And then the picking of the plants, the botanicals are carefully handpicked. So walang machine intervention from the picking of the plants para makuha talaga yung enzymes na kinakailangan para gawin sa extraction ng Intra. And the processing the plants, each plant is thoroughly analyzed. Rigorous analysis ang ina-undergo ng plants and botanicals prior to processing. To extraction, our extraction process dramatically increases the potency of the botanicals. Kaya nakita nyo tong malaking tangke, yan ang isang tangke for isang botanical. And Intra has 23 botanicals in one bottle. Meaning to say, each herb is being extracted separately. And the extraction, matindi yung proseso niyan. Up to 20 times the potency of the bulk plant ang may enjoy natin. And it takes 5 days for each botanical para matapos makumpleto yung extraction. Imagine ilang millions of bottles of Intra ang ginagawa ng Lifestyles Canada. So imagine kung gaano kalaki yung planta ng Lifestyles Canada to have this mga tangke para sa 23 herbs natin. And take note, hindi lang 1 tank, 1 herb. Maraming tangke ang ginamit for 1 single herb para makapag-produce ng maraming extraction for every bottle of Intra. So, ngayon, alam nyo that a bottle of Intra goes through a rigorous production process to ensure na optimal ang quality at na maintain yung high standards before it reaches your hands. So from the picking of the ingredients to testing of the ingredients up to extraction, standardized extracts to the blending, and then pag-add ng mga additional natural ingredients to filling of the bottles, to bottle labeling and packing. Did you know na walang kamay or human intervention ang nangyayari? All of this, from the testing to the packaging and the bottling, are done sa machine. So napaka-safe, di ba? and napakalinis, sanitary, kasi machine ang gumagawa. Ang meron na lang human intervention is during the quality control and the shipping of the products to the Philippines and other parts of the world. So how to take the lifestyle products? Ito, especially sa mga bago, please note that lifestyle products are not drugs or medication. Kaya walang overdosage. Again, walang overdosage. Huwag kayong matakot magpainom at magbigay ng dosage or serving sa mga users nyo or prospects nyo. Even if bago kayo, magbigay kayo with all confidence. Huwag nyo nang tanungin si upline nyo. Upline, kasi ako in my case, I've had downlines na, upline, ano daw, high blood daw, anong ipapainom ko nito? Paano niya inumin? Upline, ano daw, diabetic, anong ipapainom ko dito? Ilang ml ang ipapainom ko? Just go with the standards, 30 ml twice a day. Pag malala ang sakit, you can go 6 jiggers every day of intra. Or kung sa tingin nyo naman kaya ang budget, 1 bottle of intra every day. Because again, there is no overdosage. And walang specific dosage for a specific na sakit. Kasi again, intra do not address one specific effect but all. So, anything goes yung pag-reseta mo ng product sa user mo. With all confidence, magbigay ka na, do not contact your upline kasi if you do so, you contact your upline, lalo na pag sa harapan ng user mo or prospect mo, matatakot yan. Sasabihin yan, ay wala palang alam to sa pagpapainom, baka mapano ako. Hindi pala niya alam paano ako painumin ang product. 'Di ba? Pero pag confident ka, nagreseta ka kaagad, with your conviction, mas marami kang mapapainom ng produkto natin. So, ang lifestyle products have no side effects and walang overdosage. Only temporary body adjustment. So, ang ibig sabihin, nag-undergo na siya ng detoxification or cleansing process or yung tinatawag natin na healing crisis. Ang lifestyle products, intra, has 23 botanical extracts in 1 bottle. What is a botanical? And what is the difference between a botanical and a herbal? So, yung intra, it's not a herbal drink. Okay? Correct yourself, sasabihin nyo from now on, it's a botanical drink. Pag sinabi kasing botanical, it is a part of a plant that serves as a medicinal value. It could be from the roots, from the stems, from the bark, from the seeds, fruits, flowers, and pollen. So, kaya para kang umiinom ng buong puno, yung botanical drink. And our 23 herbs and botanicals, it comes from different parts of the tree or of the plant. Unlike yung isang single herb, galing yan sa dahon. So, sabihin na lang natin yung mangosteen. So, yung mangosteen is one single fruit. It comes from the fruit, ine-extract, tapos ginagawang MX3. So, kaya siya naging herbal kasi one single herb. Pero sa atin, botanical siya kasi 23 herbs from different parts of the plant pa yung pinagkukunan yan. So, intra is a botanical drink. Intra is available in liquid form, which is 950 ml in 1 bottle. And in capsule form, 64 capsules ang laman ng isang bote ng intra capsule. So, 1 jigger is 30 ml juice. And 1 jigger is equivalent to 2 capsules of intra. So what intra does not contain? Walang artificial flavor ang intra. Wala ding artificial color. no artificial sweetener. So yung very light na tamis ng Intra, it comes from a fruit na natural din. Walang trans fats and it's not tested on animals. Wala din siyang animal content, kaya nga tayo halal certified. No banned substances na bawal for Olympians and athletes. And did you know, trivia again, may trivia ako para sa inyo. A classic proof na walang banned substances ang Intra is it was once an official drink of the Winter Olympics. So alam naman natin, sa Olympics, bawal ang banned substances. So pag naging official drink ka sa Olympics, isa lang ang ibig sabihin yan, safe for athletes to take. Intra, wala ding pesticides, wala ding herbicides, and walang bacteria or mold. Ito lang din, may mga cases na tinatanong, bakit may mga molds, quote unquote, bakit may molds sa ilalim ng bottle of Intra? Hindi yan molds. It is a result of pasteurization. Okay. So say it with me. Type in the comment section or in the chat bot, pasteurization. Paano nangyayari yung pasteurization? When a natural product is being exposed to heat or sunlight, there is pasteurization happening. Kaya we always tell our users, huwag mo expose sa mainit na lugar si Intra. Huwag mo rin siyang iwan sa kotse mo. Huwag mo rin siyang ilagay sa bintana na mainit na na-expose ng sunlight. Huwag mo rin siyang ilapit sa may mga machines na mainit kasi it will pasteurize. Kaya may nagfo-form ng mga parang cotton sa ilalim na sa base ng Intra kasi yun yung effect ng pasteurization. But guys, hear this. When I asked Paul Kramer regarding this, kasi dun ko nga nalaman sa kanya na pasteurization yung effect na yan eh. And it is still safe to drink. Huwag niyong itapon yung bottle of Intra nyo pag merong mga nagfo-form na mga solid objects. Kasi sabi ni Paul Kramer, the product is even more effective and potent pag nag-pasteurize. So, 'di ba? Kaya pag may mga users kayong trying to return the bottle kasi natatakot sila na merong mga parang cotton formation sa loob ng bottle of Intra, i-assure nyo na pasteurization. Itanong nyo kaagad, saan mo ba to nilalagay? Saan mo ba to na-store? So pag sinabi niyang dun lang sa sa side ng bed ko, yung bed mo ba, bedside table mo ba, hindi ba yan na-expose ng sunlight? So try to check. Kasi baka lang hindi siya aware or nakalimutan lang niya yung reminder mo na hindi siya pwedeng ma-expose sa sunlight and hindi siya ma-expose sa heat, and baka naiiwan niya yung bottle of Intra niya sa kotse niya. So we'll never know. And you will only find out if you ask questions. Okay? And ang Intra has no heavy metal, so walang lead content. That's very safe. That's why it's very safe. Wala din siyang stimulants and not even caffeine. Okay. So, ang Intra, ang general usage niyan is first 2 days, painumin nyo yung user nyo niyang 2 jiggers per day. Onwards, if for prevention only. Pero, after 2 days, increase the serving for moderate to severe health challenges. What does it mean? Pag may sakit na siya, or yung na siya, hindi siya pang prevention lang, may ina-address siyang physical challenge or health challenge, then on the 3rd day, i-advise mo na siyang mas damihan pa yung pag-take. Kung sa first 2 days, 2 giggers per day lang siya, pwede nang sa third day, i-double na niya yon. So, gawin na niyang 4 giggers per day. Kaya, marami kayong maririnig if you keep on attending Hope, marami kayong maririnig ng mga testimonies na nagma-massive dosage, nagme-mega dose. So, what does it mean? More than 2 giggers per day yung iniinom. Yung iba, baso-baso na yung pag-inom. Yung iba, 6 giggers a day. Yung iba, yung isang bottle of Intra, 3 days na lang. At you will also hear testimonies na 1 bottle of Intra every day ginagawa ng water replacement. So for children naman and infants, 1 gigger a day. So half gigger in the morning, 15 ml in the morning, 15 ml in the evening. For 9 years and below, 15 ml. But for above 9 years old, they are considered adult na. So 1 gigger in the morning and 1 gigger in the evening. And there are special considerations for Intra. So kung diabetic siya, at pwede pa siyang kumain ng fruit, then pwede pa siyang introduce. But kailangan niyang inumin yung Intra after meal. Okay. Pag bawal na siyang, pinagbabawalan na siya ng doktor na kumain ng fruit, then Intra capsule ang ipainom niyo. So for non-diabetic, Intra is best taken before any food intake, first thing in the morning, and before going to sleep. Okay, so let's go to Nutria Plus. Nutria Plus is the ultimate antioxidant. Highly concentrated antioxidant siya. And it contains 12 synergistic natural ingredients. And bawat serving ng Nutria Plus provides the antioxidants and phytonutrients galing sa plant extract, vitamins, and minerals. And Nutria Plus is being tested before it was sent out in the market. It was tested dun sa zebrafish. So, ang zebrafish kasi resembles the human anatomy. And yung zebrafish is transparent. So, nakikita yung progress na nilalagay yung Nutria Plus doon sa zebrafish. So, ang nangyari during the testing, lahat ng sakit, cancer, heart disease, diabetes, blood diseases, brain health, allergies, nilagay yan in-inject sa zebrafish. Okay? Did you know na yung cancer cells sa Canada nabibili? But only yung mga accredited medical and health companies are allowed to buy. So that's why yung company na tied up with Lifestyles to conduct this survey was able to buy these mga cells na nagkukos ng ganyang sakit. So in-inject siya sa zebrafish and then nilagyan siya ng Nutria Plus and they found out that the Nutria Plus na itong 12 synergistic effect na content ng Nutria Plus addresses the inflammation dun sa zebrafish. So it is a proof that it can really address cancer. And yung test na yon, na found out na yung mga cancer cells doon sa zebrafish, yung mga sakit doon na nilagay sa zebrafish, hindi namatay yung zebrafish na may Nutria Plus. And yung zebrafish na walang Nutria Plus, hindi nag-last. So palakpakan natin yung Nutria Plus natin. And Nutria Plus improve our tissues. Kaya ang galing niya sa tissue repair and regeneration and prevent abnormal cellular growth or for cancer prevention. Ang Nutria Plus, how do you take it? First 2 days, 2 capsules per day after meal. And if to address health challenges, then increase the servings for moderate to severe health challenges. So you can hear mga testimonies na 6 capsules of Nutria a day, 15 capsules of Nutria a day, lalo na sa mga terminal stage na ng may cancer. So, again, walang overdosage, kaya huwag kayong matakot. Just assess kung kaya ng user nyo, budget-wise, na mag-massive dosage, 15 capsules a day, then ibigay nyo na para mas lalo silang mapabilis yung effect sa kanila. So, for children, only 1 capsule a day. For pregnant women, first 3 months, huwag niyong painumin ng Nutria Plus. But for the next remaining months, pwede na silang uminom ng Nutria Plus. And special considerations for Nutria, ayan, ito mga consideration nyo to is affordability ng user. Okay? Capacity niya to pay. And then, yung health challenge niya, gano'n na ba kalala yan? So, pag malalang-malala na yan, padamihan nyo na para hindi ma-underdosage. Most naman na pinapainom ng products na hindi nakakita ng result, isa lang ang cause niyan, underdosage. So, baka ang iniinom niya is just for the prevention lang. Eh kung siya may sakit na, damihan na yung pag-inom ng products. Okay. So, Nutria Plus has Seleno Excel. This is a selenium-based yeast found in Nutria that has been shown to play a role in fighting cancer, cardiovascular disease, cognitive decline, and thyroid disease. So, ito yon. There are 2 sources of selenium. One, directly from the soil, na kinuha at nilagay dun sa bottle. Yun ang inorganic na selenium, low rate of absorption, and it could be toxic kasi baka may nahalo dyan na mga mineral na mga lead content, no, which is toxic sa katawan natin. But ang Nutria Plus natin is organic. Why? Because yung soil na may selenium tinaniman. Okay? And these plants, kung saan tinanim yung may selenium, doon ine-extract yung selenium from the plant. So, it is organic and mas mataas yung absorption capacity and very safe siya kasi wala siyang lead content or any harmful na ingredients. Okay. So, ang Fiber Life is, paano ang pag-take ng Fiber Life? By the way, ang Fiber Life for blood sugar control siya for diabetics and cholesterol control for hypertensive and yung may heart problem patients. So alam niyo na, pag anything related to sugar and to cholesterol, Fiber Life kaagad yan. Ilan ang papainumin nyo sa users nyo? 1 to 2 capsules of Fiber Life 30 minutes before meal. And 1 to 2 glass of water para hindi siya mag-constipate. Kasi pag less than 1 glass of water, ang effect niyan most likely is constipation. So, damihan at least 1 glass of water para mag-expand yung Fiber Life and form like a gel-like substance sa intestine. Fiber Life is also for natural weight loss management. Take 1 to 2 capsules, 30 minutes between meals. So even if mag-snacks, painumin nyo ng 1 to 2 capsules of Fiber Life with 1 glass of water. So kung kumakain siya ng 3 times a day, and then mag-snacks pa siya morning, afternoon, tsaka midnight snacks, so kung ang user nyo 6 meals in a day, dapat in between meals, umiinom siya ng 1 to 2 capsules of Fiber Life. And this will help your user lose weight naturally. So ang Fiber Life contains konjac glucomannan, which reduces cholesterol. And it also contains guar gum or xanthan gum, which is good for the heart. And it has cinnamon extract, which lowers blood sugar. And this gum or fiber in Fiber Life are all organic and natural sourced products. So let's go to the last product, which is CardioLife. CardioLife is scientifically formulated dietary supplement providing vitamins, minerals, plant extracts that support cardiovascular health and blood circulation throughout the body. So what are the contents of FiberLife? It has 9 ingredients, and the most famous of which is it has vitamin K2. And that vitamin K2 is in the form of Vita MK7. Vita MK7 is a unique and well-studied brand of vitamin K2 known as the highest quality and the most effective form of vitamin K2 pure minoquinone 7. So, ang Vita MK7 enhances blood flow. Yun. Kaya, ang product natin na CardioLife, it helps proper blood flow sa arteries natin. And yung mga naliligaw na calcium, which it should belong to the bones, but minsan naliligaw siya sa mga arteries na pag na-deposit doon sa arteries natin, it can cause blockages. So anong ginagawa ni Vita MK7 doon? Inaalis niya yung mga calcium deposits in our arteries at dinideposit niya rightfully to the bones where it belongs. So why take CardioLife every day? Maintain the health of the arteries and blood vessels. Kaya nakaka-improve din siya ng brain flow, brain health, because of the proper blood flow ng arteries natin. Optimize blood flow throughout the body, keeping the heart and the cardiovascular system strong and healthy. And it maximizes brain health and overall well-being by ensuring healthy blood circulation. Isa sa mga phenomenal effect ng CardioLife is yung it strengthens the bone and it helps the proper flow brain circulation. Kasi madalang na makakahanap kayo ng product that addresses the proper blood circulation and the brain health. So how to take CardioLife? Take 2 capsules daily with food as a dietary supplement. So just like Nutria, it must be taken after meal. So with after a full meal. So guys, these are the common concerns and rejections about the products. No money. Expensive yan eh. Do not debate. Huwag niyong awayin yung prospect pag itong sinagot. Ang sasagot niyo is, I feel you, ganyan din ako before. So magre-relate ka. I feel you, ganyan din ako before. Namamahalan ako sa intra. But you know, I found out nung na-hospital yung kapatid ko, emergency room pa lang, ang bill namin, 8,000 na. Nung pinasok na sa room, ang daming series of lab test na pinagawa, wala pang ininom na gamot yung kapatid ko, pero sa billing, 50,000 na yung lahat ng expenses sa mga laboratory namin. So doon ko na-realize, mas mahal magkasakit, mas mahal ma-hospital, kaya uminom na kami ng intra kasi mas mura siya kaysa sa expenses namin sa hospital. So ganun ka mag-share, mag-address ng rejection. I am taking a cheaper product. Yan, rejection siya. So paano mo i-address? Alam mo, ganun din ako. Nagtitipid ako. Ang binibili ko, ang iniinom ko yung pinakamura. Pero may nabasa akong news na hindi pala lahat ng capsule ay natutunaw. Yung napabalita na inoperahan tuloy siya kasi the doctor found out yung mga capsules na ininom niya tambak sa intestine niya kasi hindi natunaw. Kaya ako, I prefer taking Lifestyles products kasi when I tested it in a glass of water, minutes lang, nag-melt na yung capsule. At doon ako assured na safe yung capsule at hindi siya tatambak na hindi natutunaw sa loob ng katawan ko. I'll just eat fresh fruits. Yan, meron kayong masisharean. Sasabihin niya, ay, fruits na lang, mas mura. Alam mo, ganyan din ako. So, relate ka always. Huwag mo talaga siyang huwag kang makipagdebate sa prospect mo. Alam mo, ganyan din ako. Naisip ko, kakain na lang ako ng prutas, mas mura pa. But you know, I found out from a friend na farmer. Sila mismo na farmer, hindi sila kumakain dun sa mga tinatanim nila na pambenta. Kasi it's full of herbicides, pesticides na toxic sa katawan. Ang ginagawa nila, may sarili silang backyard na doon nila tinatanim yung mga prutas at mga vegetables na kakainin nila. Walang spray, walang mga chemicals. So from then on, I shifted to Lifestyles products kasi these products are all natural source products. So ganyan ka lang mag-address. And all other rejections and objections, sit down with your upline and mag-brainstorm kayo paano nyo address itong mga rejections na to. Okay? So learn more about Lifestyles products. Get a copy of these 3 books, Fighting Body Pollution, The Natural Path, tsaka Health and Wellness. All these books are written by Mr. Paul Kramer. So get your copies at 250 pesos only. Through sa Lifestyles office ka mag-order. So Lifestyles products natin, we share it to all the people in the world because this improve our health and the health of our prospects. This prevent disease. And alam nyo ba that every bottle of Intra, behind every bottle of Intra, Nutria, FiberLife, CardioLife, is an equally phenomenal business opportunity that helps us achieve financial freedom. So with Lifestyles opportunity, take the product, do the business, and make your dreams come true. So I had my transformation journey in Lifestyles because of the products, na-address yung chronic fatigue ko, na-address yung arthritis ng lola ko, is now 14 years taking the product, 90 years old at that time taking the product, now she is 104 years old. Na-address din yung frozen shoulder ng mother ko, dalawa kong pamangkin na chronic yung asthma. Every other month, tinatakbo namin sa hospital. But now, tinatakbo namin sa emergency room sa Cebu Doctors Hospital. But now, wala nang nebulizer, wala nang Seretide, wala nang spray, wala nang Ventolin. So, palakpakan natin yung Intra. So, the Intra business is a byproduct of a phenomenal Intra, Nutria, FiberLife, CardioLife. So that's it. They're done with our product workshop. I hope na you will be sharing these products with conviction. Huwag kayong matakot magbigay ng reseta kasi yung products natin, walang overdosage. Thank you so much, everyone. We're done with our workshop. And nire-record ko to so I can share it sa FB group natin. Bye, everyone. Good night.
Thank you, GMD.